Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to edit shortcuts on Snapchat. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Snapchat account. We can do so by checking on our App Store. Once it is updated, we can go ahead and log in to our Snapchat account. Once you're here, all we need to do then is to take a snap. Once done, we are going to click Next. And right after that, if you try to notice on the upper right part of our screen, we have here Create Shortcut. We're going to click this, and right after that, we will be routed on this screen. And right after that, we're going to click an icon. So just like for example, this one. And right after that, we're going to click Create Shortcut. So basically that shortcut was already created. So if you try to notice, we have here the icon that we used earlier. Basically, that's how we are going to edit shortcuts on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.